Hello everyone, welcome to third part of SolidWorks brief introduction. I'm going to open up few more part files and show you more application of the rig feature and the option that we have to create different type of rigs. I have opened up the part 4 similar to this, and there are 3 sketches. Let's create the rib using those 3 sketches. Go to rib command. It is asking us to select a plane to create this sketch or select existing sketch. So since we have got 3 sketches, first I'm going to select this sketch. Now with the default option, the rib is going to be created these directions parallel to the sketch. We can flip the material side if we want, and also with this rib command we can have normal to the plane options as well, since there is a solid surface at the back of this sketch. So I'm going to use that options and hit OK. The rib is created like this. Let's use the other sketch to create this sketch. Create the rib. Click on rib and let's select on this plane, this sketch. Now if you want, you can simply change the thickness to 5 mm, and by default it is on normal to sketch option, because using this sketch we cannot create any rib with the parallel to sketch options. The option seems alright. If you click on the preview looks okay, and click OK. And let's go to the third sketch. Click on rib and then click on this sketch. Now if you have sort of better understanding, you should know that we cannot create the rib like this. When we click on hit, the resulting rib did not intersect the existing model. So let's swap the thickness. Now the whole rib is inside the body and it is intersecting. So now if you click on preview, it is working. So click OK. So this is how we can use this rib feature to create different type of solid features using different sketches. And let's open up the next part file, which is part 5. Click OK. So in this with this sketch I'm going to show you few more features of the rib. So in this, if you look at carefully, you can see this sketch is not touching the solid body. So if you apply the rib command, so this sketch is going to be, the rib is going to be extended up to the surface. So this is the feature of the rib command. So rib command can apply, extend and default features when it is built in the rib. And also here you have got two sketches. Let's see if which one we can use to create the rib. Click on the rib command and select this sketch. Now based on the preview, the rib is going to be created on the right directions. If you click on preview, it is not working because the resulting rib did not intersect the existing model. Click OK. So it is because if you zoom in, you can see that when the surface is circular, these two are not really going to intersect the solid body. So what we can do is, when we create this type of sketch, we have to bring the sketch a little bit forward like this. So if we click on the rib command, I'm going to use the other sketch, this sketch, and you have to swap the directions, flip the material side because this is outwards. Click OK. If you click on OK, now the rib is created. And let's use the other sketch to create the rib. Click on rib, and this is the other sketch we can use. Click on the sketch. Let's make the thickness like 3 millimeter, and over here you can see so this is not, the sketch is short, but once we hit on click, everything is going to be extended up to the surface and the rib is created like this. And I just wanted to highlight one more thing. When we create the rib using parallel to sketch command, focus on the rest of the rib feature manager, rib property manager. And if you use the other options using normal to sketch, there are two more additional selections on the rib property manager, which is linear and natural. And I'm going to discuss this one in the next tutorial. I hope now you have better understanding about rib command and how to apply different options with the different situations. I will see you in the next video, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to create this type of this type of part, mainly using rib feature. Until then, thank you for watching.